Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me for you guys. A lot of you have requested more of these types of videos and more recipes, so I thought I would share with you my husband and mine, or mine and my husband's favorite, one of our favorite casseroles, and it's Poppyseed Chicken casserole. And I'm going to leave a link for a similar recipe down below in the description box, but we did change some of the ingredients a little bit, and I'll share that with you as we're cooking. Also, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Courtney, and she's doing a cook and clean with me as well, so she's going to share a recipe with you guys too, so make sure that you check out her video, and I'll leave that link down below as well. And that way you can go over and show her some love and tell her that I sent you. She does different types of videos like me. She does cooking, cleaning, family, all kinds of different things, so make sure that you go and check out her video when you're done here. All right, let's go ahead and get started cooking. Alright, for this recipe, you're going to need chicken, and I just grabbed a rotisserie from Kroger, sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, you can use 2 if you'd like, poppy seeds, a package of Ritz crackers, cheddar cheese shredded, and then some broccoli. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to pull out your chicken and go ahead and cube it all up into the little pieces. And since my kids don't eat poppy seed chicken, then I always pull like one of the legs off for them to eat the chicken on its own, and then I'll put other sides on their plate as well. And then I just cook my broccoli in the microwave. And here I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 8 ounces of sour cream, or 1 cup of sour cream. And then I just throw in a couple of handfuls of shredded cheddar. Next, I'm going to take a package of crackers, and I'm just going to crush them up in the Ziploc bag and then add in some melted butter, and I did about 1/4 a cup of melted butter, and then mix it all together in with the crackers. For our Poppyseed chicken, we always add in broccoli just to give it a vegetable, but the recipe that's going to be down below, you're not going to see that on there, so it's totally up to you whether you want broccoli or not. And then you're just going to mix it all together and then put it in your pan. And tonight I'm actually going to be making this meal into 2 separate meals. So one we are going to freeze, and then the other we're going to eat tonight. But if you wanted it to be big enough for like leftovers the next day, you could use a 13x9 baking dish and just have 1 big meal. This meal is great for taking to friends that are sick or maybe just had a baby. So this is like my go-to meal for that kind of thing. The last thing you're going to do is put the Ritz crackers on top, and make sure you spread them evenly across the whole top, and then you're going to bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. And for my freezer meal, I'll just put tinfoil on the top and write on it what it is and the temperature it needs to be at and any cooking directions that we need. And then when your casserole is done, it'll be nice and golden brown on top and ready to serve. So that is it, and this meal is delicious. Alright, so now it's after dinner, and my kids have gone back outside to play because we ate pretty early this night, and my husband went out there with them. And so I am just cleaning up around the house and picking up after dinner. So that's what I will be doing here. So most nights we go ahead and clean out the sink, and I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and the mint scent, and it's amazing. And then after we clean out our sink and everything, we will run our dishwasher at night if it is full. And then most nights I don't do a full cleaning of the kitchen, but we desperately needed it tonight, and I knew I had a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow. So I decided to go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up and the floors mopped and vacuumed and everything, so I didn't have to do that tomorrow. So all the products that I'm using is the Daily Granite Cleaner, and that's by Method on the countertops, the granite countertops. And then for the wood countertops, I'm using the Daily Wood for Method. And then for my stovetop, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Radish Scent multi-surface spray. And then for all the stainless steel, I'm using the Daily Stainless Steel Cleaner from Method. And in case you're wondering, I get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, and there's a referral link down below. Usually they have some sort of promotional item that you get for free plus $10 off your first order. So if you are interested in ordering some products through Grove, then definitely use the link down below. I love it because I get to just have my cleaning products shipped to my door. I don't ever have to go shopping for them at the grocery store or wherever. I just have them shipped whenever I need them. I use the Dyson V7 for my vacuum, and I got this back in March, and it is the best thing ever. I don't have to ever worry about a cord, and I can spot clean, and it's just so much easier than with our big vacuum that we used to have. And then I use the Bona mop. I got it from Amazon. You can check out the link below. I have all these things linked down below in case you would like to check them out yourself. But I love this mop as well. It has a little sprayer on there so I can spray as I am mopping. And I just use the Bona mop floor cleaner that goes with it. Alright, and then I am finished cleaning. I've had a good meal, some cardio in, and now I can go enjoy some time with my family. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the recipe and that you will give it a try. If you do, definitely let me know what you think of it, or if you are thinking about trying it, let me know in the comments below. Alright, and make sure that you go check out Courtney's video. I'll leave the link down below so that you can easily find her video and find a new recipe for yourselves. And don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.